Hello mga besties! So welcome back to the safe space ng mga emotionally intelligent pero minsan umiyak pa rin sa CR sa work. Sino kaya yun? So today, pag-uusapan natin is about self-love. Not the aesthetic Instagram kind, but the raw, quiet kind. Char! Raw, quiet kind. Eme-eme. Hindi lang to about self-care, journaling, buying things sa Shopee pag sad ka. Pero pwede rin naman. Self-love is setting boundaries. Self-love is also walking away from people that don't respect you. Self-love is forgiving yourself for not knowing better before. Alam mo, bestie, minsan tayo pa yung pinaka-harsh sa sarili natin. We say things to ourselves na hindi naman natin kayang sabihin sa ibang tao. Be gentle with your inner self. You are still growing, healing, and learning, and that's beautiful. Again, repeat after me, ha? Makinig ka. I am allowed to be in a work in progress and a masterpiece at the same time. Let that sink in. So, bestie, gusto ko lang malaman mo na you don't have to be perfect all the time. You don't have to be perfect para lang mahalin ng ibang tao. Unahin mo muna yung sarili mo. Kasi ang sabi nila is, bago mo mahanap yung pagmamahal na para sa'yo, is kailangan mo munang mahalin ng buo yung sarili mo. Start by loving the version of you today. And I'm proud of you. Totoo. I'm really proud of you, bestie. So, iniiwan ko tong mga salitang to for you to, always remember to love yourself more and to, start dating yourself more. 'Di ba? Maganda yung dinidate mo rin once in a while yung sarili mo. Yung ibang tao nga kaya mong i-date. Sarili mo pa kaya, 'di ba? So, treat yourself like someone you love. Stay strong, stay soft, and see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.